All right, everybody, I'm back. We're going to put some bridges in place. Yay. As you can see, my layout is a little bit of disarray right now. I've pulled up track and everything in order to make room for the bridges. This is bridge number 2, which is going to go in right here. I need to sand that. I found that they are a bit longer than the gap across here, so I've been sanding them down here. And this works really, really well. I've already done a lot of this just to make the video recording time better. And so that fits down there perfectly, just exactly the way I want it. I made marks on the profiles here as to where I needed this to sit, so it's going to sit right in there. So we're going to put a little bit of glue in here. Put that down, and let's put there. Put a pin in right there. Pin in right there to hold that. That should work out really well. Okay, this is bridge number 1, goes right in here. And I need to sand a little bit on this corner here, so I'm going to come over here to my bench. And I'm doing it this way just so I've got it stable. Not quite, but almost. Being able to sand this is a nice little tool. There we go. Nice little fit right in there. That'll go in. Looks like that side's coming up a little bit there, doesn't it? So we'll just put an extra pin in here so we make sure that it stays down. All right, and now this is fitting in here just fine. So again, some glue on the supports. Same thing over here. All right, so that's 1 and 2. Let me grab a paper towel here. I'm really not working this hard, it's just hot out here. All right, so let's go over here to bridge number 6, because how we're on this side. And bridge number 6 here is going to fit down in there perfectly, just like that. All right, so once again, some glue. You know, the nice thing about being able to sand this is when there are little differences in how they fit, they don't fit exactly right, there's a little difference in the materials, it's real easy to fix that right away. So that's just another nice little feature that comes with working with this foam board. It is very, very cool stuff to work with. Clean that up just a touch. Couple more pins over here. And as soon as that dries, we'll be able to put the track back in place and maybe even make it semi-permanent. We'll see. Let's see how that works out. So let's go around the other side over here. Move my table over. Make some room. And so that was 1, 2, and 6. So let's do bridge number 3, which is right over here. Bridge 3 is going to fit right in here, just like that. Okay? And that'll be the bridge for moving back over here. So thank you very much. And I'll need some pins. Pin in there. And one in here. Got that down in place. Try this again now. And of course the key is to have a nice flat transition here. And if you got your bridge supports in correctly, that's not going to be an issue. All right, so we'll come back over here. And I actually need to remove some track here because this is going to be in my way. So we'll just pick that up. Move that a little bit. So we can get bridge number 3 in place. Bridge number 3 is going to go right there. All right. Now, if you've been looking at your drawings and stuff, most of you are probably going to have questions about bridge number 7. Bridge number 7 goes right here. Obviously, I don't have it constructed yet. This is bridge 7, 7-1. It goes right here on the edge of this horizontal. Fits in here, right here between 3 and 4. And this long straight piece is the bridge support that goes under here to hold the bridge on this end. And then your side girders are right here. 7-2 goes right down here, and then the other one goes on the other side, and we'll make this complete loop. Obviously, I haven't done that yet. That's next on my list. But I had some questions that I need to clear up first before I did that. So I'm going to do that next, and when we come back, I'll have some track back in place, hopefully, and we'll be able to run a train around here again as a test to make sure everything is copacetic and working the way it should. So it's a lot of fun. We're getting there. We're starting to see some big structures up here. Obviously, I've put a couple buildings up here just to be teasing around and playing with stuff and trying to start getting an idea of what we're going to do. So that's where we stand right now, and we'll catch up with you real soon.